Ooh, this is really strange. Really strange. Do you know what is the co-distilled or co-distillation of oud oil? I'm going to show you in this video. So this is an oud oil from Sultania Aromas, and it has two woods from two different regions. One is Papua and one is from Indonesia. So this is called Membramo from you have to consult the website sultaniaaromas.com, so see if I have misspelled or something like that. Sultania Aromas. So these are two woods, two type of woods. One is from Papua and one is from Indonesia. They are distilled together in the distillation apparatus. So the result is the oud oil that has combined scent profiles for both these areas. So these kind of co-distillations sometimes are really amazing. So I'm going to test this out. This is Membramo. So my near sight is getting weaker, so I have to move it far away like this. I just want to show you the bottle, this one. So this is the sample bottle I got. It is a very light creamy yellow color, very light, like transparent oud oil. Oud oils actually they expand and they change when you apply it on your skin. So I always think that these kind of oud oils, they are really costly and they should be given the chance on a skin rather than on paper. Ooh, this is really strange, really strange. It is like a melon. You are sniffing a melon skin, and it is orange. It is kind of like very rounded, sweet, mellow kind of scent. It is like you are sniffing some of the fruits in the basket, and it is sweet. There may be some honey in there. It is kind of like something is vibrating. It's sweet, it's light, vibrational kind of scent in there. And at the same time, it is calming and rounded and mellow and yellow and light orange kind of feel to it. It is like you are taking some honey with some banana or maybe some melon, something like that. So this is kind of two or three different scent profiles. This is a really lovely oud oil. It is sweet, it is rounded, at the same time it is mellow, it is yellow, it is honey. It is kind of like not overly sweet. It is not overly sweet. It seems to me like it is basically similar to some Chinese oud oils. Name is Membramo. So Papua and Indonesia. So it has some nuances from Indonesian oud oil and Papua. Papua is these kind of rounded and mellow kind of oud oils. So there's not anything woody for me over here. Really enjoyed this. So this is really different oud oil, the different scent profile. So now I'm going to rate it. So I would rate it 8 out of 10. Very lovely scent profile. I really enjoyed this oud oil, and I would give it 7 out of 10 for, or 6 out of 10 for performance. I think it is going to stay like 3 or 4 hours maybe on skin, but it is weak oil. Because most of these oud oils, they are very pure, and the distillation process and everything, they are very costly, they are expensive. So they are not going to stay like a perfume, because perfume have chemicals to make it stay longer on your skin. So this was distilled in 2025, so it is pretty young, so that's why it is weak. Maybe in 2 or 3 years it is going to get a bit strong. So this is my review about this. What was the name of this one? Membramo from Sultania Aromas. So if you have tried these kind of oud oils or co-distilled oud oils, do let me know in the comment section below. I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.